Today's my first day on the track. I'm doing it in the Ferrari.
There you have it. Atta girl. Yes. Here we go. Yes. And here we are at iCar with my daughter, Eleni.
Hello.
And we are 20 minutes north of Montreal at a racetrack called iCar here in Quebec. And my daughter's here, it's her birthday, so she wanted to rent a car, go around the track, 5 laps to try out a Ferrari on a racetrack. What do you think, Eleni?
I am super stoked. That's what I said. When I turn 29, I want to go race a Ferrari. And so now we're here.
Here we are, you guys, with a red Ferrari.
Yes.
We're going to step it into a few minutes,
Yes.
take a few laps around the track, and experience something you've never done
Exactly.
before.
We're good
Right.
to go.
Okay, let's see how you're going to do, dear. Good luck with it.
Yes.
And,
fingers crossed, because I've never raced the car, shockingly.
And drive it
So-
like you stole it, eh?
Probably not something you should see on camera, but okay, let's see how that goes.
Okay, I can't wait to see you drive this car, dear. Eleni, what do you think of this
Oh,
car?
I'm super excited. Red is my favorite color. Of
Okay.
course, being Nick's daughter, the black and red is the thing that runs in the family. So no, I am very excited. Very
Okay.
excited. Hopefully it goes well.
It's in her blood. It comes from her dad. Racing, cars, whatever. It's here. It's all here.
Exactly.
So, Eleni,
Exactly.
you know, now you're going to take over, of course, but you're going to start with a Ferrari around the track.
Yes.
My days I started with something else, but you got a Ferrari, good for you. And wish you the best on these 5 laps and enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Okay, gentlemen, start your engines. Here we go.
Yes.
Back when Nick was Eleni's age, racing meant meeting up behind the airport after midnight. But for today's generation, a racing day includes Instagram. But don't get it twisted. Eleni is so much more than just a pretty face. This young woman has accomplished so much in the last few years, and her parents could not be more proud.
I'm proud of my daughter that she's achieved many of her goals that she's done in the past few years. She's got a great job. She's done very well in school.
Thank you.
She's got her own place. And you know what? I can't ask for more than that. And today, here we are trying out on a race car, and I can't ask for anything more.
Me
Eleni,
too.
are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's go.
Good luck, sweetie.
Thank you.
Eleni will be getting a few tips from the passenger seat today from her instructor, Cooper.
Good to go. We're good to go.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Don't be afraid, eh? I mean,
She won't
I've
be.
Seen,
No.
I've seen you drive.
Yeah,
You have the best instructor. There's
Yes.
nothing to be afraid of.
I'm excited.
Okay, drive
Awesome.
safe.
Drive safe. Said no one in this car.
So foot on the brake, you can hit
Yes.
engine start, the red button, hold it till it starts. There you go, so we're on.
Nice.
There goes my daughter in a Ferrari. She's gonna go around the track. 5 laps. Well, let's see what she does.
Foot on the brake still.
Yes.
First gear should be in, so let go of the brake and start giving it gas. And the car should start moving. So once you start giving it gas, it'll start moving.
Okay.
There we go. So except for the transmission that you have to give it gas to start moving, it drives just like a normal car.
Okay. Oh, this is crazy.
Exactly. So we stay in this lane, and as I said, there's about 180 degrees before we get to the track entrance. I'll tell you exactly when to
Okay.
stop. So 5 full laps today.
5 full laps. That's
Awesome.
wild.
We'll just
Okay,
slow it
so
down
here
a
we
bit.
slow
Here,
it
yeah,
down?
it gets a bit tighter, and it's going
Okay.
to be all the way over there for the track entrance. I'll tell you
Perfect,
when.
okay. This is insane. So it's my first time actually racing.
Yeah.
But I've grown up my whole life
Around
being
cars.
in that
This is
world.
where we're going to stop.
Okay,
You can press
stop
hard on
here?
the brakes if you want to feel them out.
Okay, yeah, some kick-ass brakes.
Yeah. So no one's coming. We're going to be able to get on track. What we'll do is first lap, take it nice and easy. All the indications I give you are going to be for the next laps. So if I tell you to accelerate, we're going to wait on next lap. If I tell you to brake, you don't have to brake in our first lap because we're going to be going nice and slow.
Nice and slow.
So I'll just give you indications for the next laps, and from there I'll keep those indications going while we're going quicker.
Perfect.
So that you know exactly what you're doing.
Okay, so I'm going to take this one slow so I can like learn everything and then...
So your job as a driver is to see your next set of cones, which is the yellows, and go in between them. Exactly. Like checkpoints in a video game.
Perfect. And I slow down at the yellow?
No. So you don't have to. I'll tell you exactly what to do once we're going. I'll start my indications from the red cones that are over there.
Once Cooper has shown Eleni around the track to learn the turns, he lets his student drop the hammer.
So we'll go into the yellows there. You can start gaining some speed.
Now we're starting our lap.
Exactly. You can start gaining some speed.
But I'm not accelerating.
Yeah. Won't need to brake here. No brakes. Just concentrate on your turn. Go get into your yellow cones. Right there, the next set. And from here, go ahead to the floor, all the way down. Go, go, go. Continue. And brakes. More.
More brakes?
Yep, more. Stay in your yellow cones, and from there, cut left. Excellent job.
That's insane brake. You need to get used to that type of brake. We don't have brakes like that.
Accelerate.
Now we accelerate.
Yep, go ahead.
How much are we going?
All the way down.
Woo!
And then we let off the gas, take your turn. All right, and accelerate. Awesome, and brakes. Give me a little bit more brakes. All right, that's enough. Go stick to the rumble strip. Go put your wheels on the red and white. Stick. Excellent, that was beautiful.
Perfect.
Gain some speed. Keep your hands 9:15, so side by side. Yeah, that'll help you gain more speed.
Now.
More. In between your yellows and accelerate. Go ahead. Yep, go ahead. All the way down. And brakes. More. All right, that's enough. Turn left. Awesome. Get in between your yellows. Start progressing on your throttle. Start giving it some gas. Past the yellows, we accelerate. And accelerate.
Woo! Okay.
It's going really well. No need to brake here. Concentrate on your turn.
Okay, that person's coming really fast behind.
It's okay. Go ahead. All the way down. Keep on going. Go. And brakes. More. Don't forget your yellows. We'll turn in. Awesome. Start progressing on your throttle to maintain your speed. Start gaining speed. More. Go ahead. All the way down.
So how fast am I going right now?
Off the throttle, turn right. You're going about 140. Awesome. You didn't need to brake there. You're doing great. More brakes now.
She's on the third lap. She's on around the bend there. Here she comes. And she's going quicker now.
You're doing great. Gain more speed. You go more.
Goal is to go fast now.
Yep. Start gaining some speed. And all the way down. Go ahead.
Here she goes. Floor it. That's it. Atta girl.
More. And turn left. Awesome. Good job.
Now she's getting the hang of it.
Start gaining some speed. When we pass the yellows, we're going to accelerate.
Go for it. She's doing good.
Awesome. No need for brakes. Just turn.
Brakes. Okay.
Start progressing on your throttle slowly. And all the way down. Go ahead. Go.
Wow.
And brakes. More. Awesome job. And cut left. Start progressing on your throttle. And all the way down. Go ahead. Go. Woo-hoo. Let off the throttle. Take your turn. And accelerate. Great. And brakes. Awesome job. Go stick to your rumble strip. You're doing great. Excellent.
Okay. How many laps left? How many are we on?
We still have 3 to go.
Okay. We're good.
We're going on our third now once we pass there.
Okay.
Here she comes again.
Accelerate. Go ahead. Accelerate. All the way down.
All the way. Let's go.
Check her out. Yes. Atta girl.
And
Taking that round.
Awesome. Cut left. Good job.
Wow.
And start progressing on your throttle. It has a lot of grip, eh?
Yeah, it does. Normal cars don't have this.
No, not at all. You won't need to brake at all for this one. Just concentrate on your turn.
Here she goes again, around the bend. And now on the straightaway. All out.
Awesome. Cut left. Start progressing on your throttle. And go ahead for a full acceleration. And go. And let off. Turn right. And accelerate. And brake.
Great, okay.
Awesome. That's enough. Go stick to your red and white. Stick, 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 stick. Great job.
Okay. They're getting the hang of it.
Yeah, no, it's going really well.
Here she comes again. Atta girl. Yes. Look at her go. Yes.
Awesome. Turn left. Good job. Start progressing on your throttle. Gain some speed. Pass the yellows. Accelerate. Excellent. Let off the
Oh, they're
throttle.
really close.
All right.
What do I do?
Full acceleration. Go, 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 go.
Hey, she's doing pretty good, let me tell you. She's doing pretty good.
Awesome. Cut in. Start progressing
Should I-
on your throttle.
Okay.
You're doing awesome.
Okay, perfect.
And accelerate. Let off the gas. In and accelerate. Awesome. Brakes. We're gonna cut in, stick to
Yeah.
the red and white.
This is a sharp
Stick,
turn.
stick, stick. Yep, the sharpest one.
Sharp turn.
Awesome.
Sharp turn.
And we're going on our last one.
Last one. Okay, we're gonna make it count.
Yes, sir. In between the yellows.
Yes.
And accelerate.
Okay, go for it. Yes.
And brakes, brakes, brakes. Awesome. Cut left. Great job.
This is also leg workout at the same time.
Yeah, gotta press hard on those brakes.
Yes.
No need to brake. Concentrate on your turn.
Okay, last one now.
Yep.
Right?
Yes. And full acceleration. And brakes. Excellent. Go cut left. Start progressing on your throttle. And full acceleration in between the greens. Let off your throttle. Right. No brakes.
No
Accelerate.
brakes. Accelerate.
Here she comes now. Around the bends.
Go
the
outside
pits?
the yellow cones. Outside
Outside.
the yellows and in between the two oranges.
Okay. Now no more accelerating.
Nope, no more. We're in the
Okay.
pits. Good job. How
Thank
was
you.
that?
That was crazy.
Awesome.
That was crazy.
So towards the right.
Wow.
Oh, you
I have
did
to
an
say,
awesome
first
job.
time while racing, like in this type of car, was wild.
Towards the right of the 10 sign. Yeah, to the
Right.
right of it. First
Here?
time racing.
Yes.
You look like you've done this
yes.
before.
I've been exposed to it, but never
Uh-huh.
actually been in the seat.
Awesome. So you were saying you grew up around cars,
I grew
right?
up, yeah, my dad's been racing since he was a child. Like he has his
Nice.
own YouTube channel.
We'll just go
So-
left here. What's his channel?
Nick's Garage.
Nick's Garage. I'll
Yes,
have
you
to
should
look
check
into
it
that.
out. So I've been in that scene my whole life, and I told him like
You're
now
looking
it's
for
time I get
battles.
in the hot seat.
Definitely.
So-
Awesome. Well, I'm happy I was there to be able to share that with
Thank
you.
you so much. This is
My
a blast.
pleasure.
This is really
awesome.
blast.
Well, I'm really happy you enjoyed it.
Perfect. Perfect. So,
So-
it's parked, Cam. I'm
It's
used to,
already
like,
in neutral.
Okay.
Exactly. No need to touch it. We'll let him get us
Crazy.
getting out.
All right. How did I do?
You did great, dear.
I did great.
You did great.
Nice. Nice.
I noticed you were going faster and faster every lap.
Yeah. Well, I
did a
have to
great
get
job.
used to it. It takes some time.
You did a great job,
Yeah.
dear. There she is, you guys.
Yes.
The new
There
racer
you
in the
have
family.
it. First time racing, caught on camera.
There we go. When I came here a few years ago, I spun out with the Hellcat. But you did
Wow.
better than I did.
Wow. Did I?
Yes, you did, dear.
That's
Congrats.
crazy. That's
Congrats.
crazy. Thank you. We'll be back next weekend.
There we go.
I think she did very good. I told her. I thought she did that before.
We'll be back very soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank
Right.
you. Thank you.
Thank you. You know, if you guys ever dream of driving a Ferrari or Lamborghini, just call up iCar here in northern part of Montreal, which is in the Mirabel area. Go to click on iCar and you get the Lambo or the Ferrari that you wish and take a few laps and enjoy it. So if you want to have a dream of driving these cars, here's the place to do it, here at iCar. Alrighty, I wanted to thank every viewer that watches here in Nick's Garage. watching my daughter taking the Ferrari for 5 laps around here at iCar. And thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
All right, Dad, what do you say? I think it's time we start shopping for one.
Okay,
What do you guys think?
okay, let's go take a look.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you guys for sharing a family moment with us. Thank you. And you guys, if you look down below the video, we have a whole bunch of merchandise that you guys can buy. So whatever you like, buy it, love it, wear it, and enjoy it. And help spread the word of Nick's Garage. And if you have some time, check out our Patreon page. We have extra content and you guys can watch it and take it from there. And we'll see you next time.